Hey everybody, it's tutorial time. Let's learn something new. Today I want to teach you another way to shift weight from one side to the other side of the body in a very elegant and very simple way. We're gonna use the loop step. The loop step is very simple and it's very elegant. The loop step is very simple, as I said before, and it combines two movements. One done with your hips and the other one done with your feet. Let's start with our feet. And let's start with the right foot, okay? 1, 2, 3. That's it. Nothing else. Your hips, on the other hand, they do something different. Let's start with one hip. And twist, push forward and round back. That's it. It's one side at a time. You do not proceed to the other side until your foot starts the movement. So the movement is initiated by your foot. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3. Now left side. 1, 2, 3. Pay attention to my feet and to my hips, but especially to my feet. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Things that you can do with this step, I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You can even walk to the side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And you move around on stage. You shift weight and you cover the stage wherever you want to go. Simple!